Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 165 Deseyn Drive in beautiful Canandaigua.
This is a spectacular, picture-perfect end-unit townhome.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is grand open living complemented with the highly desirable one-floor living. Featuring a cathedral ceiling great room with a cozy gas fireplace and beautiful hardwood floors. Leading to the light and bright dining area with a boxed window and spacious kitchen with gorgeous cabinetry, maintenance-free flooring, and an adjacent laundry. Perfect for entertaining.
Relax and unwind in this expansive first floor primary suite with a double closet, patio views, and a spacious bathroom. Plus a second suite with pocket doors and a full bathroom. The space is exceptional. This quality-built end-unit townhouse has great craftsmanship, which is evident in the details.
Enjoy the Finger Lakes lifestyle with maintenance-free living, an expansive front porch, and rear patio, great for entertaining. All with exceptional storage with a 2-car garage and a full basement.
This is a great neighborhood of townhomes and single-family homes. Walkable with sidewalks. Steps away is downtown Canandaigua. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 165 Deseyn Drive in Canandaigua.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!